This is a task manager I built with Claude. No code, no external database, no monthly subscription. As you can see, it's got a Kanban board, a calendar view, and real charts. And the best part, I changed almost everything with plain conversation. No dragging fields around, no setting menus, just me talking to Claude and Claude building it for me. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build it. Why build your own task manager at all? Because the tools you pay for every month, they are fine, but they're not yours. You can't shape them to the way you actually work. So I wanted to show you something different. A tool that lives in Claude, remembers everything and costs nothing to run. And here's the thing I love about this one. There's no database to set it up, no server to deploy, no software to install. Claude's built-in memory and artifacts handle the storage for you. So this is generally buildable by anyone. No developers, no course, just a few prompts. So let's start building it. Here we have an empty folder. As you can see, it's just a chat. So I did some preparation already. The prompts you can get for free in the link in the bio. You can download it for free. So first we're gonna copy prompt 1 and paste it into Claude, and we're using the Opus 5 model on high and send it. So in the meantime, as you can see, I want you to build me a personal task manager as a Claude artifact in React using persistent storage. So my tasks are saved in between sessions. So first of all, it starts simple, building me the Kanban board with edit and delete tasks and the storage. So as you can see, Claude says it will start with exactly what you asked for, the Kanban board, edit and delete, and persistence, nothing else, so the follow-ups have room to land on camera. So as you can see, it's done with the first, but now it's saved. So here you can see it's saved. So now it's working. So this is the first. And we can also add tasks. So what needs doing? We need to make a YouTube video for today, Friday, August 7th of 2026. It's very urgent and we're now in progress. Add task. So here you can see it is saved. So that's great. So that's not the first thing. We're going for the next one, and that is prompt 2, list view. So we're gonna copy it and paste it into Claude and let it run. So as you can see, it's done with the second. So we have the task board over here, as I showed you, and we have the list. So we have now the board view and the list. So the next prompt we're gonna add is a calendar view. So the calendar view is add the calendar view as a third option in the same view toggle, show tasks on the day they're due. It's another view, so we have 3 different views. We have the Kanban board, so the board, we have the list and the calendar. So Claude is now building the calendar view, and when we're done, I'm gonna show you and we're gonna build the next feature. So now it's done with the calendar view. So let's look at it. Gonna click it, and here we have the calendar view. So that's working. That's great. So we're gonna straight go into the next part, and that is the donut chart. Edit donut chart, showing my open tasks broken down by priority using distinct colors. So I'm gonna send it to Claude, and now it's gonna make a donut chart for me. As you can see, now I get a real visual of my week completed per day, what's still open, what's overdue, and if I want a different chart, a pie chart, a stacked, whatever I just asked. That's the whole point. You're not stuck with a SaaS product. Decide what you need. So you decide what you need. So the next prompt we're gonna do is the theme selector. So somebody likes the dark mode and somebody likes the light mode. So for that we're gonna use the theme selector. So as you can see now, we have the light mode on, and we can also do the dark mode on. So this is the dark mode. So whatever you like, you can change it. So now we're gonna go do the last prompt, that is the polish and the bug fix. So take a look at the current layout and clean up any spacing, alignment or sizing issues you notice, especially in the calendar and chart. I want this to feel like a polished, cohesive dashboard, not separate pieces bolted together. So as you can see, now it's done, and it shows me what are the things that were actually broken and what it did to make it feel better. And now here is what it really becomes yours. Let me make this task manager actually fit my life. I want my board to show a priority tag on every task. I want a rule that anything due in the next 48 hours gets pushed to the top. And I want a weekly summary view for Monday mornings. Sometimes you gotta speak a bit clearer so the AI can hear you correctly. This is what I do to make the board personal. It asks me a question: how should the weekly summary show up? A fourth view tab you open anytime, and what should it cover, both side by side. So now it's finishing what I asked for. So as you can see, it's done with the task I asked it to do. It has built a new feature with week. You can see this week and what is in the week ahead and what is last week. So yeah, that's great. So let's recap what we got. So we have a few prompts, a task manager right now with the Kanban board, as you can see here. We have a data chart, and we can make all the charts. We have a list. We have a calendar. We also have a week with 2 boards. And yeah, it's all in Claude code, it's all in Claude, all free and all yours. You don't need a subscription, you don't need a database, you don't need coding, and you can shape it any way you want just by talking to it. If you want to build it yourself, comment below or send me a DM. And the prompt is linked in the description so you can grab it. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more builds and more tutorials. Next week, I'm gonna build a new tool, so subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Which tool should I build next? Drop it in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Bye.